family, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Simone. If y'all haven't seen the title already or the thumbnail, this is the look that we're doing today. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm not gonna ramble. So today's look is going to be with this palette. It is the Warrior 3 by JUVIAS Place, and as you've seen in my last video, I used this palette. If you haven't watched my last video, go ahead and do so. It will be in the description box. If not in the description box, it'll be in the cards up here. So how I pick the colors is by using a wheel that's going to decide the colors that I'm going to use today in this video. So the wheel that I'm using is called Wheel Decide. I just searched it on Google. You can use any wheel that you want, and it picked Fonty, it picked Masai, which is this green color. It actually picked Congo. Congo is this color right here. So we're gonna see how that goes. It picked Fonty, Masai, and Congo. So y'all know I had to come on here with my eyebrows done because I feel like that part takes the longest. So I'm just gonna run through my face, makeup, and then as always, we're gonna do the eyes. First, I'm gonna tell y'all what I'm going to do. So first, I'm going to use this e.l.f. poreless putty primer, and then I'm going to set under my eyes and my nose with the Airspun loose face powder, just so that it doesn't get too oily and my under eye doesn't crease. And then I'm going to apply my foundation. The foundations that I'm using are the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage foundation. They're both 24 hours and they're in the color 340 Cappuccino and 332 Golden Caramel. I'm just gonna mix these two together. And then the concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in Tan Sand. Y'all know what that looks like. Looks like this. I'm also going to set with this, the Airspun powder. Then for bronzer, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer in Warm. And then for face powder, I'm just going to use Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 16-hour powder foundation, and this is in the color 355 Coconut. This is what it looks like. And for blush, I'm also going to use the Saharan Blush Volume 1 by JUVIAS Place. And the blush I'm going to use is Neo, however you want to pronounce it, but just this one right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started, and then like I said, we're gonna move to the eyes when I'm done with my face. Okay, so instead of using the bronzer, I'm just going to use my old-time fave, is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, medium to dark. And y'all know me, I'm just gonna use this color right here. We just playing in makeup today, y'all. Time for the cut crease. Okay, so this is how it looks right now. I'm gonna go off camera and do the other eye, and then I'll put my lashes on. But first, I want to put a color here in the inner corner, the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions. I'm going to take this pink right here. I don't know why, I'm just gonna do it. Just something different since his look is different. And I'm just gonna pop it right here. Okay, so I'm done with my eyes. Now I'm using the blush. For the lip combo, I did I believe this is NIKA K, a brown lip pencil that I got from the beauty supply store. And then I used the super lustrous, the gloss by Revlon, and it's in the color Sky Pink. Looks like this. But this is the finished look. I feel like it's different. It's very different. It actually comes together with the pink, green, and the blue aqua color. If you guys like this outcome, like this video and subscribe if you have not already. Make sure y'all stay tuned for another video. If you're not aware of when I post, just hit the notification bell so you are notified when I upload. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye y'all.